Hey Moons, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get the nature element in Campus 3. It comes with these powers. You can shoot them like this if you move your screen. So let's get started. First, go to this world icon. Choose Castle Entrance. Over here will be portals. Don't go to them. Go to the path under it. It will stop you and you will get to choose your element. It doesn't show up for me because I already did it. And you can't fly or speed walk. I can cause I did it already. You will have green leaves, follow them. Right here you want to unseal the portal. Go in the one that is yellow and is straight ahead. Okay, we are here. Me trying to find it. I found it. For this video, since we are doing nature, let's go into this one. Walk on the lily pads. Oop, don't mind that. Now go into the portal. Make sure to go on that rainbow thing. Jump here. If you fall, it's okay. You can climb back up like DTI. Always touch the rainbow things. Up, 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 we go on the wooden things. Be careful on this rope. More wooden things. Another rope. Now jumpy flowers. Oh, what the? Now we are going to jump on these hanging flowers. Even more wooden things. And oh. Now it's these honeycombs, I think. And H. Now it's these slightly different wooden things. Okay, we are cooking. Now walk on the bridge. I usually jump on this flower, then go straight to the big butterfly. Keep on jumping on all the butterflies. Now jump on more wooden things. Oh my gosh, there is a lot of these in the obby. We made it. Now it's some trivia. It's answer C. More trivia. The answer is true. Last one, and the answer is the blue one. Go over here. Now jump on all the wooden things. After you get here, climb up the tree. All the way. Don't stop here. Congratulations! Now you have earned it. If you go here, it will show your element. And it will be in the dressing part. If you click this, now you have it. Bye y'all, I hope this was helpful. Bye.